10 more minutes on the road, guys. All right, guys, I think we made it. Whoa! Oh, that's when we go behind. Or should we just eat them in there? Whoa, guys, look at this. Whoa! That is amazing. Wow. There's the river. All right, we're at Horseshoe Dam, Horseshoe Lake, Horseshoe Dam. They're both the same thing. But this is an awesome waterfall, and they release the water, and it comes over the dam. Usually in March, I think, March, April. It's really awesome, and you can go behind the waterfall. So that's what we're trying to find right now. All right, so you go down this pathway. You're right by the water. And there's a paved walkway that goes behind the waterfall. Get down. Wow, guys. Oh, wait, don't run. Okay, this is cool. It's like a mini Niagara Falls. Wow. Alright, we made it to the other side. It's windy, it's a little cold, so we won't stay long, but this is pretty cool. I mean, where else can you see this huge of a waterfall in Arizona? Walk behind it. It's pretty awesome. And here's the kids all cold. Trying to keep the little one warm. Oh, little one, are you okay? Do you want to go back, Claire? Okay, should we go back and have Oreos? Oh, sorry. So there's a road over here and there's a car. I'm actually not sure how to access this road or what, but we came in this direction. There was a Bartlett Dam Road, and then the Horseshoe Dam Road is the route we came. So they're ready to go. All right, let's go back under.
Flowers that get the sun.
You're right. All right, let's go back under. It's pretty loud down there and you get a little wet, so maybe bring a rain jacket. It's a little chilly out today though. You might be okay if it's warmer, but yeah, it's loud. So if your kid doesn't like loud noises,
I like that.
you do, yes, but Claire wasn't crazy about it. So, but yeah, it's fun. I think we're gonna go check out one more area down by the river a little more. I saw a restroom down there and maybe a little area to play in the water. We'll go see, so stay tuned. All right, campgrounds down here. Lots of birds. Look at all the cactus, Claire. That's pretty.
You want to get arrested? Step on it.
Oh, it's starting to rain, guys.
Uh-huh.
Let's just go look real quick.
There's a shoe up there.
It's there where? Oh yeah, you're right.
Yay.
Oh, here's the water down here. All right, well, there's really no place to get up to the water. Maybe when the river's a little lower. I'm not sure, but it's also starting to rain.
It's raining.
And I heard thunder,
pouring.
so
the old road is flooding.
we should get out of here. All right, should we start to drive back?
Yes.
Okay. And it's raining. Time to go home. If we can get home, right? And you can see the water. Wow. Coming down. And look at those big drops. Man. There's like hail on the ground. That's crazy. Okay, guys, there's a car coming.
Okay, get in.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's hailing again. What? All right, well, that concludes our amazing trip to Horseshoe Dam. It's now hailing, and it went from 70 degrees to 39 degrees, and it's cold and wet, but yeah, it was fun. What do we say, Claire?
I did good.
No.
Thanks for the kids.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe. Yeah. I nailed it. Yeah. Drive.
Yeah.